Thanks for viewing this property. Please contact me by email at chip@chiplanders.com or call my cell phone at 772-473-7888 for further information. Price reduced $20,000. Enjoy a beautiful and well-appointed home, move-in ready, freshly painted, seamless blend of modern luxury and comfort. Add in the lush garden and low-maintenance landscaping for beauty, serenity, and privacy that creates an oasis within the community. This 2,200+/open floor plan offers extensive custom features and upgrades throughout: 11 feet vaulted ceilings, tray ceiling and master bedroom crown molding throughout, transoms over doors, elegant and durable tiles and laminate wood floors, extended storage areas, 7 ceiling fans and more. The upgrades include a Butler's pantry with custom shelves, oversized doorways, large outside paver patio and utility area, driveway extended west/pavers, epoxy-coated garage floor, screened lanai and low-maintenance mature garden with 6 hedges wrapping around the property. The home boasts a fresh, bright, airy and welcoming ambience that accommodates entertaining, gatherings and more with its multiple living spaces. As a newer home, it offers low insurance costs. The community features a clubhouse, pool, and a beautiful golf course. The low HOA fees include lawn maintenance and heated community pools,